Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is another knowledge-based series which I am going to show you how the symmetric triangle works. Okay, it can give you breakdown or breakout. Okay, and what is the latest example of the symmetric triangle which has been formed in the Indian market. Okay, so let's get started. As you can see right now, we have the daily chart with Nifty small cap index 100. Okay, so in here, if I draw these two triangles, I mean two trend lines there. So you will get the incline of 45-degree from both of them. Okay, make sure it just don't go beyond 45 or 50 degree of the triangle, or else it will not be an ideal situation to analyze the symmetric triangle and to trade accordingly. Okay, so as you can see, we got a few of the trend lines, few of the sideways momentum here within the upper trend line, and on the lower trend line we saw this trend line is acting as a support multiple times. Okay, and the moment when we got the breakdown here, okay, so let me mark that as well. So on the daily chart of 6th of March, we got a breakdown in the Nifty small cap index, and then from there we took the retest, and then we again went down three consecutive straight trading sessions itself. Okay, so it was a perfect sell candidate that day back then. Okay, and we landed up into some support of 14,050. Okay, now how to trade them? First is to, of course, identify the symmetric triangle. Make sure that you connect all the dots on the upper trend line side. We have to connect the dots on the lower trend line side as well. Okay, the upper trend line will act as a resistance, lower trend line will be acting as a support, and the moment when you identify the breakdown, basically that is the day you will short the market, and the stop loss will be the high of the breakdown candle. Okay, so in this case, somewhere like the seller stop loss would be somewhere around 15,830 here. Okay, and then the rest is history, as you can see. And then we of course get the rise, that altogether a different story, but I want to just limit myself to show you how the symmetric triangle works. This is the one case of the breakdown. There is another case which we observed was in the mid cap index itself. Okay, and even here as well we have connected the dots, the upper trend line and the lower trend line. Upper trend line acting as a resistance, lower trend line acting as a support. But here what we get is we get the breakdown, of course, that candle. But I would say, if the sellers would have traded this index itself, then they would be making into the loss. So basically this is not showing us the continuous fall. Okay, because the sell off in the single day was so bad that mid cap at those days were minus 4.4% down in the single trading session. Okay, so here if you want to trade, you have to go to 1 hour chart. You have to observe this on the hourly chart, and then here you go. Now you see the breakdown. Okay, you take the trade, and then till the end of 4500 to 45,200 some place, you can book the profit. So basically what happened is you just have to identify the upper trend line, the lower trend line, the breakdown candle, and then you can start trading in the closing of the candle. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful session of this video. If you have any comments, any doubts, do let me know. Okay, and if you are still not following our Instagram, I mean the Telegram channel, please go back to the description. There is a link below and follow us for the daily updates. Thank you.